ultimate gaming tablet is finally here. With a blazing 185Hz display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and active cooling, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, also called the Red Magic Astra 2 globally, looks like a beast. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Starting with the design, Red Magic sticks to its signature gaming style. You still get the transparent cooling module and eye-catching RGB lighting that instantly stand out. The flat back also remains, keeping the tablet stable on a desk. That's a big advantage for rhythm games and any title that demands precise multi-finger control. The tablet features a 9.06-inch display, yet it feels surprisingly compact. Its longer side is close to an 8.8-inch tablet, while the shorter side is similar to the iPad mini. Thanks to ultra-slim 4.9mm bezels and a 90.1% screen-to-body ratio, you get a much bigger viewing area without sacrificing comfort. This tablet isn't built to be the lightest. At 363 grams, it feels solid and premium, although long one-handed sessions can get tiring. The upside? That extra weight makes room for a larger battery, advanced cooling, and serious gaming hardware. Now for the specs. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with the Red Star R4 gaming chip and Quib's Sunny Day Game Engine 3.0. The biggest highlight is the stunning 185Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth gameplay. You also get a 2.4K OLED super mirror display with industry-first X10 luminescent material, up to 1600 nits peak brightness and 1100 nits full screen brightness, delivering vibrant colors and excellent contrast. But how does it perform in real games? We tested CrossFire King of Guns using Puff Dot in a 25°C room with 200 nits brightness, running the highest graphics settings and 185 FPS mode for 30 minutes. The tablet averaged an impressive 178.1 FPS while using just 4.8 watts of power. Temperatures stayed under control at 37.9°C on the back and 41.9°C on the front. The performance data is even more impressive. The CPU intelligently boosts performance when needed and quickly scales back during lighter workloads. This smart optimization keeps gameplay smooth while maintaining consistently high frame rates. Controls are another major highlight. The tablet supports a native 300Hz multi-finger touch sampling rate and an instant touch sampling rate up to 2000 Hz. Combined with the 185Hz display, aiming, recoil control, and target tracking feel incredibly fast and responsive. To top it all off, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro has earned official tournament certifications for major mobile esports titles like CrossFire and the King of Glory Pro League, proving it's built for serious competitive gamers. If you love FPS games, this tablet is already one of the best you can buy. But what happens when we push it even harder? Let's test it with Star Trek King's Hour. The test setup stayed the same: a 25°C room, 200 nits brightness, 1080p resolution, and very high graphics. After a full benchmark, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro averaged 61 FPS while using 7.7 watts of power. Temperatures reached 50.5°C on the back and 44.1°C on the front. Those numbers sound high, but here's the surprise. The heat stays away from the areas where you hold the tablet, so it still feels comfortable even during long gaming sessions. The GPU results are just as impressive. The utilization peaked at only 67.7%, even lower than the Red Magic 11S Pro. That means the tablet runs at higher GPU frequencies while keeping temperatures lower than a gaming phone, showing how effective its larger cooling system really is.
The night cooler is another highlight. It uses the same cooling liquid found in AI servers, and you can actually hear the liquid circulating while it's working. Combined with its larger cooling area, the system keeps performance stable for much longer. You might wonder why Red Magic skipped a cooling fan. The answer is simple. The current cooling system already delivers excellent results, while an extra fan would mostly add unwanted noise. By now, the performance speaks for itself. The tablet can reach 185 FPS in supported games and stays smooth even in demanding titles like Star Trek King's Hour. But it's not just about frame rates. The flagship chipset, premium OLED display, ultra-fast touch response, smart performance tuning, and advanced cooling come together to deliver a complete gaming experience. There's more. The tablet also supports PC emulators and Steam Direct, letting you enjoy selected PC games right on the device. Another great feature is the dual USB Type-C ports. Both support charging and data transfer independently, so charging won't get in the way of your gameplay. Battery life is equally impressive. The 8,300 mAh battery supports 100-watt fast charging, going from 1% to 100% in about 55 minutes. Pricing starts at 4,999 yuan in China, which is around £556 in the UK and $736 in the US. Overall, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro is built with one goal: serious gaming. It's easier to carry than a full-size tablet, offers a much larger screen than a phone, and combines the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, night cooling system, S3930 Starry Night touch chip, and a silky smooth 185Hz OLED display for outstanding performance. If you're looking for a compact tablet made for gamers, this is one of the best choices available. If you enjoyed this review, hit subscribe and join our tech community for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!